Hi everybody, how is everybody today? My name is Sam. I'm in 11th grade at Falmouth High School. And today, in honor of all the snow that's on the ground and that's been falling, does everybody like the snow here? Yeah? We are going to be making polar bears with just paper, okay? So what you're going to need is white paper, and you can use black paper, and then for like the eyes and the nose, you guys can use black cotton balls, googly eyes, whatever you want. For mine, I just used black marker because that's all I had with me. But you guys can be creative and use whatever you want. So for the first thing, what you want to do is you want to take your white paper and your black marker, and you're going to want to trace out all the little cutouts I did. So once you do that, it should look like this. So you have the body, the head, the ears, and then the legs. So once you have that, you're going to cut them all out individually. I don't have an example of that, but once you have them cut out all individually, you're going to want to take your glue stick and glue them all together. So you have your head glued onto the body, the ears onto the head, and then the legs onto the body. Okay, so once you have that, all I did for this next step was I took my black marker and colored in all the little spots. But if you guys want to be extra creative, you can take a big black cotton ball and use it for the nose. And I just drew on the eyes, but if you guys have like googly eyes, those are perfect for the eyes. And then I drew on the paws. But what you guys could do is take the black paper that I said was optional at the beginning and cut out the paws and the ears if you wanted. I didn't do that because I didn't have it. So I just used my black marker. But I thought this was a good project for this day because of all the snow that we've got in the past few days and how polar bears are snow is so important to the polar bears, and that's where they live. They love the snow, the cold. And personally, I love polar bears. What is your guys' favorite animals? Polar bears? That's mine. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this little craft I did for you guys today. I'd love to see what yours... Can you guys hold yours up once you finish it? I'd love to see it. Well, I'll see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed, and enjoy the snow out.